Aloha mai kākou, we are Keauhou, and we're really excited to release our third album entitled ʻōko ʻāina tomorrow.
It features 13 tracks, 4 originals and 9 compositions that we just enjoy playing.
The title of our album, ʻōko ʻāina, talks about this sense of completion and fulfillment. We recorded these 3 albums in succession, so all in the span of 3 years.
It's been a great journey for us, this third journey, working with our favorite people, Mikey Grande, Studio Ala Moana. We had so many guest musicians, Jeff Ahoy, Halehaku Seabury-Akaka, Jim Howard, Rocky Holmes, even to Auntie Debbie with Mosaic. So many on this wonderful team of people. We also really want to thank our friends at Island Heritage who are now distributing Hawaii's music, and we're so thankful for them.
Mahalo nui for all the support, and we hope you all enjoy. Aloha.